You notice foamy urine in your toilet bowl, and your doctor just told you your creatinine levels are dangerously high. Your heart drops because you know what this means. Kidney disease is silently destroying your body from the inside. Every day you wait, more kidney cells die permanently. The scary truth is that once your kidneys fail, you face a lifetime of dialysis or desperately waiting for a transplant that may never come. But here's something your doctor might not have told you. 5 specific drinks can actually fight kidney damage at the cellular level and help slow this deadly progression. These are not random home remedies or wishful thinking. Each one is backed by real clinical studies showing measurable improvements in kidney function markers. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how these kidney health solutions work, starting with our countdown from the 5th most effective drink all the way to the #1 powerhouse that could save your kidneys. You'll learn the exact preparation methods, optimal dosing, and the specific mechanisms that make each drink so effective at lowering creatinine and reducing protein loss. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete action plan to start protecting your kidneys naturally while supporting your medical treatment. Let's start our countdown with number 5, corn silk tea, a traditional remedy that might surprise you with its kidney-protecting benefits. You want to know something? While those 5 drinks I mentioned can help fight kidney damage, there's a deeper problem we need to talk about first. Your kidney disease is not just about high numbers on a lab report. What's really happening inside your body is that your kidney filters are breaking down every single day. Corn silk tea might be our number 5 drink, but even this humble remedy has something powerful to offer your failing kidneys. So how exactly does this traditional elderly wellness solution work when modern medicine feels hopeless? Here's the real problem with kidney disease progression. Your kidneys have millions of tiny filters called glomeruli, and when these get damaged, protein starts spilling into your urine. That foamy urine you see is actually your body's vital proteins being wasted down the drain. Once these delicate filters tear, they cannot easily repair themselves. Your kidney function drops month after month, and eventually you face the terrifying reality of dialysis or waiting for a kidney transplant that might never come. Corn silk tea works differently than you might expect. Take 2 tablespoons of dried corn silk and steep it in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily between your meals, never with food. The anti-inflammatory compounds in corn silk, including flavonoids and polysaccharides, target the inflammation that's destroying your kidney filters right now. The benefits start working within weeks. Corn silk provides mild but genuine kidney protection by reducing the inflammatory assault on your remaining healthy tissue. It supports your body's natural detox processes without overwhelming your already stressed kidneys. The gentle diuretic effects help flush toxins while maintaining proper electrolyte balance. But wait until you see what number 4 can do to stop kidney stones that make everything worse. Corn silk tea offers gentle protection, but our number 4 drink tackles a deadly complication that makes kidney disease even worse. Lemon water might sound too simple to work, but clinical trials show it prevents the painful stones that destroy what's left of your kidney function. Ready to see how something this basic can save your remaining kidneys? Here's what happens when you have kidney disease and develop kidney stones. These hard crystals form when calcium binds with waste products in your concentrated urine. When stones get stuck in your kidney tubes, they block urine flow completely. This backup damages the delicate kidney tissue that's still working. Each kidney stone episode is not just painful, it actually accelerates your kidney decline and pushes you closer to dialysis. Many aging adults with kidney disease end up in emergency rooms because of stones that could have been prevented. The solution is surprisingly simple, but incredibly effective. Get 60 milliliters of fresh lemon juice and drink it twice daily. That's about 4 tablespoons each time. Mix it with water and always drink through a straw to protect your teeth. Timing matters tremendously. Take your first dose on an empty stomach every morning, Then have your second dose in the afternoon. Never use bottled lemon juice because it lacks the active compounds that make this work. Lemon water works because it floods your urine with citrate, a natural stone inhibitor. Citrate binds to calcium before it can form crystals, keeping your urine chemistry balanced. Clinical studies show a 32% reduction in stone recurrence when people follow this exact protocol. This means you're protecting your remaining kidney function from further damage while giving your kidneys the best chance to stabilize. The kidney protection benefits start within days. Your urine becomes less concentrated and hostile to stone formation. You avoid the emergency room visits that damage your kidneys further. Most importantly, you stop the stone-related inflammation that accelerates kidney disease progression. Number 3 is where things get serious. It actually stops the inflammation, destroying your kidneys. Lemon water prevents stones, but our number 3 drink attacks the root cause that's killing your kidneys right now. Turmeric tea targets the deadly inflammation eating away at your kidney cells every single day. This natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse has clinical proof that it can slow kidney disease progression. Want to know how this golden spice can save your failing kidneys? Here's the deadly truth about kidney disease and chronic inflammation. When your kidneys get damaged, your immune system goes into overdrive and starts attacking your own kidney tissue. This inflammation creates a vicious cycle where kidney cell death accelerates month after month. Your kidney function drops faster because the inflammation prevents healing and destroys healthy tissue alongside the damaged areas. Most senior citizens with kidney disease don't realize that this runaway inflammation is the real killer, not just the original kidney damage. Making turmeric tea the right way makes all the difference. Take 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and add a small pinch of black pepper. The black pepper increases absorption by 2,000%, so never skip this step. Mix both into hot water or make golden milk by adding coconut oil and warm milk. Always drink your turmeric tea with meals because the healthy fats help your body absorb the active compounds. Never drink it on an empty stomach because it can cause stomach upset. The kidney protection results are remarkable. Turmeric works by blocking the inflammatory pathways that destroy kidney cells. Clinical studies show a 40% reduction in protein loss when people drink turmeric tea daily for several months. This means your kidney filters are getting stronger instead of weaker. You're actually slowing your kidney disease progression instead of just watching helplessly as your function drops. The anti-inflammatory effects start working within weeks. Your kidney tissue gets a chance to heal instead of being under constant attack. Your protein spillage decreases because the filters can repair themselves when inflammation stops. This gives you precious time and helps preserve the kidney function you have left. But number 2 has something even more powerful. It repairs damaged kidney filters at the cellular level. Turmeric tea stops inflammation, but our number 2 drink does something even more remarkable for your dying kidneys. Green tea actually repairs cellular damage at the molecular level and has the strongest clinical evidence for kidney protection. This healthy aging solution contains compounds that can reverse years of kidney damage. Ready to discover why this ancient drink outperforms modern kidney medications? Here's the hidden killer destroying your kidneys every second. Kidney disease creates an explosion of toxic free radicals inside your kidney cells. These unstable molecules attack your cellular DNA, proteins, and membranes like tiny bombs going off continuously. Free radicals destroy healthy kidney cells faster than your body can replace them, which is why your kidney function drops relentlessly every single day. Most people don't realize that this cellular destruction happens 24 hours a day, even when you feel fine. Making green tea correctly unlocks its full kidney healing power. Drink 3 to 4 cups daily, but never use boiling water because it destroys the active compounds. Heat your water to exactly 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and steep for only 1 to 3 minutes maximum. Longer steeping makes it bitter and reduces effectiveness. Drink your first cups in the morning and finish by mid-afternoon to avoid sleep problems. Never add milk because it blocks the absorption of the healing compounds. The kidney repair results are scientifically proven and dramatic. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that actually repairs damaged kidney cells by activating your body's natural healing pathways. Clinical trials show a stunning 41% reduction in protein loss when people drink green tea daily for 3 months. This means your kidney filters are getting stronger and healing instead of continuing to deteriorate. The cellular protection starts immediately. Green tea floods your kidneys with antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals before they can cause more damage. Your healthy kidney tissue gets protected from further destruction. Your kidneys can focus on healing instead of just surviving the daily toxic assault. Number 1 might shock you. It is so basic yet more crucial than any expensive kidney treatment. Green tea repairs cellular damage, but our number 1 drink is so fundamental that without it, nothing else works. Plain water is the foundation of kidney survival, yet most people with kidney disease drink it completely wrong. This senior nutrition essential can improve your kidney function within days when you get the timing and amounts right. Want to know why this simple liquid outranks every expensive kidney supplement? Here's the deadly mistake most kidney disease patients make with hydration. You either drink too little water and concentrate toxins in your kidneys, or you drink too much and overwhelm your failing kidneys. Wrong hydration actually accelerates kidney failure by triggering harmful hormones that damage your kidney filters even more. When you dehydrate, your body releases vasopressin, a hormone that squeezes your kidney blood vessels and reduces filtration. Concentrated toxins then poison your remaining healthy kidney cells while you think you're being careful by limiting fluids. The exact water intake amounts depend on your kidney disease stage and change everything. For early kidney disease, drink 1.5 to 2 liters daily, which is about 6 to 8 cups. For advanced stages, limit yourself to 1 to 1.5 liters daily, roughly 4 to 6 cups. Never drink large amounts at once, because this shocks your kidneys. Spread your water consumption throughout the entire day, taking small sips every 30 minutes. Stop drinking 2 hours before bedtime to avoid disrupting sleep with bathroom trips. The kidney function improvements happen faster than any medication. Proper hydration improves your kidney's ability to filter waste immediately by optimizing blood flow and reducing toxic concentration. Your creatinine levels can improve within weeks because your kidneys can finally work efficiently instead of struggling with thick, concentrated blood. Water prevents further kidney damage by keeping toxins diluted and flowing instead of crystallizing in your kidney tubes. The foundation effect makes everything else work better. Water helps your body absorb the healing compounds from green tea, turmeric, and lemon water more effectively. Your kidneys get the blood flow they need to heal and filter properly. This simple change creates the environment where your kidneys can actually recover instead of just surviving. Your kidneys are fighting for survival right now. Every day you wait makes recovery harder. These 5 drinks can slow kidney disease progression, but only if you start today. Which drink will you try first? Comment your creatinine levels below and share your biggest kidney challenge. I read every comment and often reply with personalized advice. Hit like if this opened your eyes about natural kidney protection. Your likes help others with kidney disease find this life-saving information. Subscribe and ring the notification bell for weekly kidney-saving content. You'll get videos about healing foods, effective supplements, and medical updates that could change your treatment. Share this video with anyone struggling with kidney disease, high creatinine, or foamy urine. You might save their kidneys and their life. These drinks support your medical treatment, but never replace it. Work with your doctor and show them this video. Most doctors welcome natural approaches that help patients get better results. Start drinking for for your kidney survival today.